This is the Weeylite Ninja300. It's a portable mini LED spotlight. It's 80 watts. And this Ninja can be used for video or photos. This was sent to me for free to do this review. So some of the items you see in this video may not come with the package that you get. I think when you buy this, you can actually choose what package you want. What really sets this light apart from other lights you might get for photography or for videos is just how small and portable this is. So you can actually use this with batteries, which really enables you to take this anywhere you want. If you do want to use this for video, you need to be aware that it has a cooling fan that's loud enough that it will be audible in your videos. For me personally, I really like using this for photography. I got the handle for this, which makes it really versatile because I can put a tripod on it, and so I can set it down on a table, and it's really easy to set the angle for the light. Or if I want to, I can just carry it around and point it at any angle. So in the pack that I got, it didn't come with any umbrella or diffuser or anything like that. So I decided to make a diffuser out of paper, and it actually works pretty well. So you can see me here using this to take photos of my son, and because this light is so portable, I'm able to take photos in places I wouldn't normally be able to and get some more dynamic photos. There are a few things I don't really like about this. For one, the fan, it is pretty loud, so you need to be aware of that if you want to use this for video. The other thing is, I really like that you can use batteries for this, and supposedly you can charge the batteries on this unit itself, but I never really had much luck charging it. I had a lot more luck just charging with my normal battery chargers. The things I really do like about this Ninja is it's super bright, but it's also really small. This is perfect if you don't have a studio or you need to travel to do your shoot. Overall, I'm really glad I have this for photography. I also use this occasionally for B-roll for my videos. Let me know if you have any questions below. I also have a link posted below so you can check out the current price.